Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news for people who love taking photos, especially close-up shots. If you enjoy capturing pictures of flowers, insects, or tiny objects, you'll definitely want to hear this. Google is working on a new feature for their upcoming Pixel 10 smartphone, and it's going to make macro photography much better than before. Let's get straight into it. According to a new report, Google is planning to improve the Pixel 10's macro photography by using its telephoto camera instead of the usual ultra-wide lens. Now, if you're wondering why this is a big deal, let me explain in simple words. In most smartphones, when you take close-up photos, the ultra-wide camera is used. That's fine, but it requires you to bring your phone very close to the object you're trying to capture. The problem is, when you get too close, your phone or your hand can block the light or cast a shadow on the subject. This often ruins the shot. Also, getting that close can scare away tiny creatures like butterflies or bees if you're trying to take their photo. But with the Pixel 10, Google wants to use something called telemacro photography. It means you can take sharp and clear close-up pictures from a little distance using the telephoto lens. You won't have to move your phone super close to the object. This way, you get a clean image with natural lighting, and you don't have to worry about shadows or chasing away insects. Interestingly, Google isn't the first brand to try this idea. Samsung used a similar feature for a short time in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and Oppo recently added it to their Find N5. Even OnePlus is bringing it to their upcoming OnePlus 13. But what makes Google's version different is how they plan to switch between the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras automatically, depending on how close or far you are from the object. The Pixel 10 will choose the best lens for you. This smart feature will help people get better macro shots without needing to adjust settings manually. It's perfect for those moments when you just want to point your phone at something interesting and snap a photo. Another good thing about telephoto cameras is that they usually have better lens quality. That means the final image will have more details and look much sharper. You'll be able to capture fine textures like the pattern on an insect's wings or the surface of a leaf very clearly. Just to give you a bit of background, the Pixel 9 Pro used a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera for macro shots. It was powerful, but still forced you to hold your phone very close to the subject. With this new method in the Pixel 10, Google is making it easier and more practical for everyday users to take great close-up photos. But the Pixel 10 won't just have camera upgrades. There are also rumors about new color options for the phones. The regular Pixel 10 might come in ultra blue, limoncello, iris, and midnight colors. The Pro and Pro XL versions could be available in sterling gray, light porcelain, midnight, and smoky green. And if you're interested in the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, it might only come in sterling gray and smoky green. Now, when can we expect this phone to launch? While nothing has been officially confirmed, the Pixel 10 series is rumored to be announced on August 20th. The phones are likely to go on sale by August 28th. That's about a week later than last year's Pixel 9 launch. But this delay might be a good thing, as it could allow Google to release all 4 Pixel 10 models at the same time instead of spreading them out. What's great about this upgrade is that Google isn't adding extra sensors or making the phone more expensive. They're simply using smarter software and making better use of the existing hardware. In a time when most brands just keep adding more camera lenses, Google is focusing on real improvements that people will actually use. If this new telemacro feature works as expected, the Pixel 10 might become one of the best phones for macro photography, and you won't need a professional camera for it. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any tech news and smartphone leaks. Also, share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about this new macro feature? Would you consider switching to the Pixel 10 because of it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.